Hello, I'm Dr. Taite Anderson. I want to share a little bit about a textbook I wrote and how it impacts you as my patient. It's called The Art of Oral Surgery. There's an incredible art to oral surgery. While it's very technical and engineered on the one hand, it's also very relational. There's an art in honing and refining techniques to work with biology to accomplish our goal, working with the elements, bending them, and convincing them to restore the patient's function and beauty. I see it as a partnership with my patients. After all, I can't heal anyone. The cells do the healing. I can do my best to set them up for the healing, but that happens after they leave my office. That is what my book, The Art of Oral Surgery, is all about. It's the journey of looking deeper for ways to improve each procedure, each patient, finding the balance of just enough to get the best possible outcome. I found it impossible to communicate some of these big, complex concepts through writing alone. I just couldn't find a way to describe it, and my art took me there. Through my own painting, drawing, photography, and Photoshop, I was able to better understand these concepts and then communicate them. It is a blend of creativity, science, and growth. I wanted it to be beautiful and interesting because I know that makes learning so much more effective and impactful. I tried to create a curated gallery, taking the reader through the art of healing and preparation, through all things extraction and dental implants, the basics of what I do in my own practice. I needed to make sure that what I was teaching was the very best, so I asked myself why, about everything. If I didn't have the answer, I would go out and look for it. Most of the time I found evidence for what I was doing, but every once in a while I found a better way to do it, and then I would change. Creating this book has given me a new way to look at my work. I now often find my book guiding me through what I do in surgery. I hear my own words I've written and rewritten so many times now, and they help me see what is next. I didn't just write another textbook on oral surgery. There are already plenty of those. I created a guide on how to navigate oral surgery with the compass always pointing toward healing for my patients and for my profession. I'm Dr. Taite Anderson, and I hope you enjoy my book, The Art of Oral Surgery.